Hi everybody, and welcome to Advanced Ideas presentation of Freedom from Pain. This course was designed to help people out, people that are having challenges in life, which is virtually everybody. Everybody has old hurts, old pain. This course is designed to give you freedom from pain, to give you a joyous life, a life second to none. That's my wish for you, and today we're going to teach you dozens and dozens of skills to make that a reality for you, so you can have the life, the joy, the experience that you want to have and that you so richly deserve. So won't you please give a warm welcome to Professor Paul Klein. Here's my loving wife Bernadette and my good friend JJ. My name's Professor Paul. Here's my corporate mascot JJ again. As you can tell from the background, I like to read a book or two. Why? I want to bring you cutting-edge tools, strategies, and techniques that can make a measurable and noticeable difference in the quality of your life, both personally and professionally. I want to help you on every level. To do that, I've constantly got to be learning so I can constantly keep teaching and give you the highest quality skills available. Now, here's just a few things that you're about to discover. One, discover how to understand and destroy old pain. We want to get rid of that old hurt, that old pain for you. Cut it completely out of your life. Two, build new and empowering beliefs and values to take you further than you ever thought possible. Three, eliminate old lies and misperceptions that are holding you back. Four, gain powerful new skills to help you excel in life. Five, improve your relationship with both yourself and others. Six, learn how to control your mind and your emotions. How amazing would that be? How powerful would that be? Seven, discover powerful secrets of psychology that have been hidden from you. You will know more about psychology after this course than probably 99% of the country. Eight, we want you to gain a new freedom and joy. We want you to love your life. Life is meant to be lived. It's meant to be experienced. It's meant to be enjoyed, not suffered through. And number 9, I simply stayed here and so much more. Why? We've got dozens and dozens of very powerful, very targeted tools here for you. I couldn't begin to describe them in a single sheet, in a single slide, in just a few minutes. But you're going to get this warm, deep, rich experience of going through each tool step by step and literally transforming your life. So, a little bit about me. Who am I and how can I help? Well, as I said, my name is Professor Paul, and I've been on a mission for the last 35 plus years to help people like you excel both personally and professionally. That's why I do these trainings. Teaching is my joy. I want you to have advantages that I didn't have at your age. And most people will go from the cradle to the grave, from the womb to the tomb, and never have these tools. So I want to make sure that I'm out there, that I'm sharing these with you, and that you can have that beautiful life we've been talking about. As a personal favor to me, please share these skills with other people. Let them know about this course, and just teach them some of these things yourself. To whom much is given, much is expected. When you get something that's really great in your life, you should share it with as many people as you can. Now, just quickly, just a little bit about me and my background. You can always pause the slide and read through it if you want. But basically, pretty smart guy. I've got 4 different degrees in business and psychology. I'm CEO of Advanced Ideas. I've been a corporate trainer for many, many years. I also ran several multi-million-dollar corporations, largely in the healthcare field, but some in business. I'm a trained psychotherapist. I was a licensed mental health counselor, licensed drug and alcohol counselor in the state of New Hampshire. I'm a certified addiction professional in Florida. So I've been doing therapy for many, many years. Inpatient, outpatient, intensive outpatient, partial hospitalization, residential, therapeutic communities, outward bound, anything you can think of, I pretty much have done it. I'm a university professor. I've won multiple teaching awards, done that for many, many years. I'm a 6-figure internet marketer. I've read over 500 books. This doesn't even count the ones that I used to get the 4 degrees. So I read about 4 to 5 books every single month. in psychology, business, health, all the major life areas so that I can bring you the best tools, the best strategies, the best techniques. Above and beyond that, I did another 6,000 hours. I'm probably up to 7,000 or 8,000 hours now of additional training. So mentoring, mastermind groups, CDs, trainings, any kind of information gathering that I could get to make sure that I become a stronger therapist, a stronger educator, a stronger trainer, again, to bring you the cutting edge tools, strategies, and techniques that are going to make an amazing difference in your life when you apply them. Now, I have the exact same goal that you do. My only goal is to help you grow and to remove the barriers that have held you back and to teach you new cutting edge skills. If you follow and practice what I teach in this training, you will excel. Now, my goal is to be a mentor to you. What is a mentor? Well, one definition is a wise guide to make your path easier. It's kind of like I've been through the minefield and I can tell you where to step so you don't hit any of the landmines. There may be more ways to do it than that, but if you follow my path, you'll get through the other side. There's also an old phrase that says, let me have done that for you. So any challenges that I've had in my life, I'm going to show you how to get around those in your life. I'm also going to show you what's worked for people over and over and over again. I've had massive success rates with people in therapy and doing personal coaching to help them excel in life. So I can show you how to do this quickly and easily, taking years off your learning curve and saving you a massive amount of pain, effort, money, finance, and trouble. So my goal is to be a good mentor. A good mentor is a good friend. Here's another definition for you. Write this down for your notes. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. That's my goal, to bring out the best in you. You've got excellence inside of you. It's only been covered up. Just a couple of opening statements. For 99.7% of the people watching this training, your depression, anxiety, low moods, low self-esteem, whatever it may be for you, I want to tell you something, and I want you to hear this clearly. It's not your fault. So, in this training, you'll learn what did cause it, and I'm going to show you the way out. Here's a great quote, another good one to put in your notes or go ahead and print out this screen. Nothing you achieve will ever be greater than what you are. What you were born as, which is beautiful, innocent, and perfect. You were born great. It has only been covered up. So the purpose of this training will be to uncover your greatness, release your natural states of happiness, serenity, and joy. I want you to have that life second to none, to have a full, deep, rich experience of life. That's how it was supposed to be. We're going to get back to that, and you will be amazingly happy. In this amazing course, you will learn so many fantastic skills. It will literally blow your mind. Now, to make sure that that happens, we need some concentration. So be sure to close any and all other windows, remove any distractions, cut down any noises, and I want you to take excellent notes. People that mentally engage in it, focus on it, take good notes, these people have 3 times the results. So taking careful notes, being focused, very important. It's going to triple your results. I want you to get the maximum out of this course. This course is designed to literally transform your life. You have nothing going on today that is more important than what you're going to learn inside this course. Quick little disclaimer for you. I want you to know this is not therapy. I'm not being hired on as your therapist. I'm simply giving you good, solid advice that's worked for me and my clients year after year after year. Bring you those cutting edge tools. If you need professional therapy, please go out there and get it. I was a professional therapist, like I said, for decades. Find a good therapist that can help you if you need additional help. This is not therapy, this is education. But education can be absolutely amazing and extremely powerful. But I want to make sure that nobody's left out there floundering if they need more help than this course is going to provide. So I'm going to wrap this up here. This is just simply the intro, and we are going to jump in And we're going to do kind of an amazing and fun philosophy here called Paul's Poopy Pile, and that's what we'll start out in the very next section. So I'm excited for you. You're going to learn some great strategies, some things that are going to make you feel absolutely fantastic. This is going to revolutionize your life. Again, if you focus and if you apply it. So you're doing fantastic. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you in the very next section. We're going to jump in and we're going to learn skill after skill after skill all the way through the training. You will be amazed before you're halfway done. I'll see you there.